Hey guys! Today's recipe is super delicious, extra loaded, and totally irresistible. We're making extra loaded crispy chicken fries with a creamy white sauce. If you love cheesy, crispy snacks, this one is for you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's get started. Poultry leg chicken prep, 0:15 to 0:45. Take half a kilo boneless chicken and cut it into strips. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder and a little salt. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now coat the chicken. First dip it in beaten eggs, then coat it with all-purpose flour. Fry the chicken until golden and crispy. You can deep fry or pan fry, both work perfectly. French fries and white sauce, 0:45 to 1:40. Fry your French fries until crispy and set them aside. For the white sauce, melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons flour and cook for 1 minute. Slowly add milk, stirring continuously until smooth. Season with salt, white pepper, and black pepper. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until creamy and rich. Cheese wedge assembling, 140 to 230. Now the fun part. Place crispy fries on a serving plate. Add the fried chicken on top. Pour the creamy white sauce generously. Finish with cheese for that extra loaded look. And that's it. Your extra loaded crispy chicken fries are ready to serve. Waving hand outro, 230 to 250. This snack is perfect for parties, kids, and family nights. Try it at home and let me know how it turns out. See you in the next video. Bye.